Welcome. This is part 2 of a 3-part series of releasing stress and tension in the neck, shoulders, and upper back. For this practice, we're going to need a strap. You can use a belt, a thin towel, anything long that you can hold in your 2 hands. And we're going to focus a little bit more in the shoulders. I'm sitting in Vajrasana. You can, if this is not comfortable, you can always place a pillow in between your butt and the legs. You can also take an easy seated pose, stand up, or sit in a chair. We'll take the first few moments just to center ourselves, close the eyes, feel the body, notice how you're feeling today. Notice your neck, particularly your shoulders. See if you tend to draw them upward. See if you can just consciously relax the shoulders down, shoulder blades moving down and back. Chest gently lifting up as you inhale. Noticing the gentle movement of the chest as you breathe in and out. Go ahead and open the eyes if you had them closed. Just gently take your head to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Chin down, and then look up, down, and up, down, and center. And just for a moment, roll onto your hands and tap your feet out, roll out the ankles. Just bring a little bit of movement back. And then we sit back down into our comfortable seat. As you inhale, reach the arms up overhead, interlace the fingers, and press the palms upward. As much as possible, straighten up the elbows. Pinky fingers draw down to the floor while the index fingers presses up to the ceiling. Lift up, expand the chest, drop the shoulder blades down, and keep reaching the palms of the hands up. Now, keeping the integrity of the spine, so we're not really doing a back bend, we're just going to take the arms a little bit behind the shoulders, keeping the sternum tucked in. Go as far as you feel the stretch and the sensations, palms actively pressing upward, shoulders moving down the spine, and then arms reaching behind the ears. And release. Whew. Roll the shoulders out. Inhale again, reach the arms up, interlace the fingers, palms press upward. And we'll take a little side bend here. Inhale up through center, and as you exhale, bend to the right and keep that left arm straight and pressing away from you. Just feel the stretch in the right side body. Back to center. And then as you exhale, move to the left. Right hand, palm, keep pressing up. Feel the stretch. Back to center once more each side. Keep pressing the palm away from you, especially that left hand, center, and the right. And back to center. Release the arms. Shake them out, give the shoulders a roll. Now we take the strap. We're gonna hold the strap maybe about 3-4 inches away. And just like how we did with the palms interlaced, as you inhale, reach the hands up overhead, chest lifts up, shoulders drop down, and take the arms just a little bit back. Now begin to bend the elbows out to the side. Pull the hands away from each other and slowly lower the strap behind your head. Keep that tension in the strap, and when you can't go down anymore, go back up again. It's all right if the arms shake. Keep that tension. Keep the breath flowing. Come back up with straight arms. Reach up, reach up, reach up. And then once more, bend the elbows out to the side. Keep the hands pulling away from each other. Lower the strap behind your head. And then press back up again. Reach up, reach up, reach up. Straight elbows, shoulders down. Can you take the arms just a little bit more back? Breathe into the sensation and release. Roll the shoulders out a few times. And now we're going to take the strap again, a bit of a wider stance, and you're going to have to see how much distance that you need. So you don't want it to be too much that you don't feel anything, and not too close together that you can't move freely. So as you inhale, we reach the strap up, and then as you exhale, we keep moving down, down. So this is where you may feel you have to adjust, give yourself more slack, but you should feel a little bit of tension, traction as you come down. And just notice where in the shoulders do you feel this all the way down, and then as you inhale, come all the way back up again. See if you can keep the arms straight. Exhale, lower. Inhale, we lift up. Move slowly through it. Feel the sensations. And now we're going to keep the right hand lifted up so the shoulder will come right by the ear, and the left hand is going to reach down and back. And you may need to give yourself some more slack. And draw that left arm down and reach the right arm up. So right elbow straight, left elbow straight. So the left hand is gently pulling the right arm, shoulder back. Breathe into the right arm, the right shoulder. Where do you feel that tension and resistance? Breathe into it. And then bring the left arm back up. And we switch, left arm right up by the ear. And then take that right arm back and down. And that gentle tug, the left arm draws back. Sitting up really nice and tall in the spine. And release. We'll just take a little side bend here, arms straight. Back to center. The bottom arm gently draws the upper arm down. Elbows remain straight. Slight resistance. And back to center. Release the strap. Shrug your shoulders. Lift up your heels. Make some circles with your ankles. And come back down to sit. You can change your seated position, any comfortable place. Now we're going to take the palms out right at shoulder level. Press the palms away from you while pulling the fingers and the knuckles back towards you. And release. Shrug your shoulders up toward the ears and then release them down. Once again, shrug the shoulders up and release them down. We'll do a couple neck rolls. Very easy, gentle, just as feels comfortable. and I'll see you in the next part.